Best Performance Cars for 2024 Acura Integra Type S. In a thrilling announcement, Acura has unveiled the eagerly anticipated 2024 Acura Integra Type S, resurrecting a revered nameplate from its storied history. Combining a legacy of performance with modern innovation, the Integra Type S promises to redefine the standards of exhilarating driving experiences in the compact sports car segment. The 2024 Acura Integra Type S arrives with a striking design that pays homage to its iconic predecessors while embracing contemporary styling cues. Its sleek profile, sculpted lines, and aggressive front fascia exude a sense of sportiness and sophistication, setting it apart from its rivals. From its bold grille to its distinctive LED headlights and quad exhausts, every detail reflects the Integra Type S's performance-oriented heritage. Beneath the surface, the 2024 Integra Type S boasts a turbocharged engine that delivers exhilarating power and responsive acceleration. Combined with Acura's precision-tuned suspension and advanced handling technology, the Integra Type S offers dynamic performance and agile handling, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of the open road with confidence and control. But the Integra Type S isn't just about raw power, it's also designed to deliver a refined driving experience that's comfortable and engaging. With its driver-centric cockpit, ergonomic design, and advanced technology features, the Integra Type S provides a seamless blend of performance and luxury, ensuring that every journey is as exhilarating as it is enjoyable. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Acura Integra Type S carries on the legacy of its predecessors with unwavering dedication to performance excellence. With its combination of timeless design, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, the Integra Type S sets a new standard for compact sports cars, reaffirming Acura's commitment to driving enthusiasts everywhere. In a market brimming with contenders, the 2024 Acura Integra Type S stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Acura's dedication to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. With its blend of heritage-inspired design and cutting-edge technology, the Integra Type S is poised to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.